Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to create and manage labels on Gmail. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. And so the first step here, what we're going to do, we'll go and open our browser as you can see over here. In that case I'm going to use Google Chrome, and then we open Google, and from here we're going to search for Gmail and open this email as you can see over here. Now, once we open Gmail, we have all the emails, and we have on the left side this menu, including the inbox, start, snows, important, sent, drafts, and so on and so forth. And so, in order to create a label, here we can find this section which says labels, and you have the plus button. So we click on the plus button over here, and here we have the label name. So, for example, it says emails. And here we have next the label under. We click on this and we choose a parent, but since we don't have any kind of this, we click on this once again and click on create. And so here, for example, if you have this email, so we're gonna insert the email over here and then click on this button to add and label as you can see here, we have email as I put it on the side on the right here. And here we can create a label and add an email to it. At the end, that was all today's video. If you find it very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.